Now is the time for bold. Sexy Love Cinema and Visaya Erotica bring forth a new excitement in the Visayan film industry.
Ako kaya yan.
Aya Sanada is Rian Galang.
May daghanang arte.
She was innocent until Alvin, a dirty cop, raped her and destroyed her. Revenge is a dish best served cold.
Kinsa mga.
Starring this era's newly born Visayan bold stars, Aya Sanada and Rod Maceda. Birahay ugway undangay ang kainit sa ilang mga lawas. Unsay buhaton nimo kung ikaw naunahan. Written, produced, and directed by Rod Maceda under Sexy Love Cinema and Visaya Erotica.